So there's one shoe that will take you through your whole spring and summer wardrobe and even into fall. And before I show you that, and it's really more the color that we want to note, I want to show you the shoe that a lot of women have in their wardrobe that is a great shoe, but when it comes to then wearing things with skirts and dresses, it just doesn't go, and they're left kind of being like, oh, I don't have anything to wear with this dress. And it's something similar to this, and this is actually my shoe, and I do wear it and I do love it, but all of a sudden when it comes to a skirt, even a casual skirt or a dress, even just a casual wrap dress that's something you just throw on, it looks too casual. It doesn't go with it. Now, this is a shoe that I wear with shorts. This is a shoe that I wear with ankle pants. This is a shoe that I wear with jeans. Again, it's really great with shorts and really, really, really casual skirts. So something that almost has like bigger pockets on it, almost like cargo pockets that make it a really, really casual skirt. Now, the shoe I'm going to show you is, I'm trying saying that 5 times fast, right? It is actually, I have it in 2 colors. So I have it here in blush. One is the heel height because it's very walkable, it's very doable. If you want something flatter, a little bit taller, go with what works for you. If you want something that's a little bit more of a stacked heel, so a little bit thicker heel, because that will give you more stability, then go with that. But the blush is really great. If you followed my newsletter or watch some of my other videos and stuff, you know how much I talk about blush, that it's a great color and neutral. So if you're looking for a bag to go with everything in spring and summer, because black all of a sudden looks too harsh and too heavy, a blush bag would be really great. A blush blazer is great for layering, but my really true choice would be something in Cognac. So Cognac is great because whether you're looking for a shoe, a flat, a bag, whatever it is, Cognac goes with everything. Again, this is the same shoe, so same heel height, I can wear it. It's very walkable, it's very doable. So I want to show you an example of why this works, because here we have a wrap dress, and just a classic wrap dress. I'm going to show it to you on this side so that we can work with the pattern here. Now again, so this shoe would be, it would destroy the look. It would be too casual. It's a great shoe, I love it, super comfortable, but again, destroys the look. It's really best with shorts. So it's limiting. Remember, we're going here for, usually people are like, well, what are the, what things, you know, could I get that I haven't really thought of, Noelle, because you're the stylist. So we don't want to wear, this is just navy and fuchsia. We don't want to wear navy because navy shoes only go with navy. They're kind of, they're not the best buy, and they can be a little bit fuddy-duddy sometimes. And then we don't want to do fuchsia because fuchsia would be too matchy-matchy, right? So what do? We could do the blush, which means we could do, you know, again, we talk about neutrals, so silvers, metallics, gold, pewter. Blush would be a neutral. We talk about bone color, even that would be fine. But again, the Cognac is really the winning one because it is kind of that European neutral. It goes with everything. So whether you're looking for a shoe, a flat, a bag, a boot, Cognac would be the thing to buy.